Forgotten username recovery failed on Moneybox Business Fix. If your Moneybox Business username recovery keeps failing, don't stress. Most people get this wrong because they assume Moneybox still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Moneybox now relies on your registered email as the primary login credential. That's why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Moneybox Business app or visit the website. Enter the email address linked to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for past messages from Moneybox like investment updates, account statements, or payment confirmations. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, such as Google or Apple, log in using that same method. Many failed recovery attempts occur because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Moneybox Business Support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Moneybox remove usernames to simplify login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your Moneybox business account in minutes.